What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do something a little different. My kids wanted to do their own little project, their own little gardening. They wanted to have their own plants in the house. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna let them do their own gardening in the house too. You know, it's not gonna be too messy. We're gonna put some floor covering down and have them just, you know, go wild, have their own plants. Because they're always talking about it. Hey, Daddy, you have so much plants. Why we can't have some? So I'm gonna give them a chance to do their own thing. And this have nothing to do with me. It have everything to do with them. And have them gardening to, you know, they can learn a lot from gardening. So if you guys stick around, definitely gonna see what they got to offer. Good job, Chavo.
My name is Alex. I like to garden.
My name is Madison, and I love to garden. My name is Trinity, and I love to garden.
The sheet, so they don't get all that dirt on the floor.
Guys, look what you did.
They're being crazy.
Mommy did bad at you.
Good job, girls.
Take it. Take one.
I want to take one.
Now you can take one.
They're gonna garden into this group.
Thank you. Hey, this is the one I wanted anyway.
What's in now?
I think this is the one
Look
I
at
wanted anyway. That's the one I
They're gonna
wanted.
garden right inside of this.
Hi, I'm Oka. Hi, I'm
This is
Oka.
pretty.
Hi.
All group.
My name is Duda.
So everybody have one, right?
It's a
Yep.
hide.
Awesome.
My name is Duda.
We all got our planted.
So the plant of choice will be some succulent. These things are so hard to kill. So I'm gonna have them start out with some succulent and, you know, see how they take care of them. And each of them gonna plant one succulent inside of their group. Everyone take their succulent. Madison, you first.
Wait.
Trinity, Charlotte, and Chelsea.
Yay.
What we say?
Thank you.
There we go. And now we're gonna start planting this up. Look how nice it looks already.
It looks
That
like
looks
it's
nice.
the plant.
It's my plant.
Oh, Madison, I love
My
yours.
plant.
That looks
Oh
awesome.
yeah. Kind of reminds me
Check
of a
that out.
cactus.
It's
That looks really cool.
a cactus.
I like these.
Oh wow, look at yours, Charlie.
Wow.
It's awesome, right?
Look at her hair.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Chaba. I'm here with you, and I'm gonna help you out. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go. Take your plant out and put it inside. Okay?
I broke it a little bit. But
Everybody can do the same thing. Drop it inside of your group.
oh my God.
Charlotte, you can put yours inside.
This kind of looks like a bulb.
Can I put
Yeah.
Can I put my
I did
plant
not
inside?
need to.
Yes.
Can I put my
You too,
plant
Maddie.
inside?
Madison, you're doing a good job, man. Good
Can I
job.
put my
Good
plant
job, Chelsea. Good
Stay up
job.
for
See
me.
that?
Provide.
You're doing a good job.
Huh?
All right. So now what you want to do when your plant is inside, you want to put dirt all around it like Trinity is doing. See that? Put some dirt around it. Okay?
Hey, I'm a plant.
Don't be afraid, Chelsea. I'm here with you, okay?
Hey, my plant.
Great job, Madison. You got the concept. See?
Sprinkle.
Amazing job, Trinity. Oh, wow, Charlotte.
Sprinkles.
You're doing a good job.
It's
Charlotte, a
raining
natural.
Sprinkles. It's
Good job,
raining
Chelsea.
sprinkles.
Amazing.
We learned a lot from
Make
you.
sure you press down. When you put the dirt, make sure you press down. You don't want an air pocket inside of it. Come on, Mama.
There's
No more
dirt
dirt.
everywhere.
No more rain
Dirt, take it off of the floor, okay?
sprinkles.
Charlotte, finish up your group. Go finish it up. Excuse me.
My
Look,
goodness.
I found Charlie. Look. I don't need to move. Take wait.
Chelsea, come on. You're getting distracted.
You.
Come on, look at your sister. Look at her. Look at Maddie.
Oh, wow.
All right, leave it.
Is this rotten?
No, that came from Chelsea's plant.
No, it's not rotten.
Madison, I love your succulent.
Yeah, I like that one.
It's all big and bold.
Daddy, do you love mine?
I like Charlotte's
Of course
too.
I love yours.
I like
Yours is
Charlotte's.
gorgeous, Charlotte. You did an amazing job.
Yeah,
An
good
amazing
raising
job.
up.
Good job.
I like to
Right,
go
Charlotte?
there. Yeah.
She did such a good job. Check that out. Wow, Maddie.
My Groot has spiky hair.
My boo has
It's
Look,
green.
see?
Don't mess
See the
with
front
me.
right here?
my boo
You need to put
has
some
my
dirt
boo
right
hair
over here.
too.
Right in the corner.
I don't want to get too dirty.
Okay?
Okay.
I'll get you some.
Well, I made it end, sort of.
Hey, look, I put dirt on you.
That's not good. Don't worry, Groot. You got this.
Don't worry, Boo.
Don't throw it on top.
Don't-
Put it on the
don't
side,
worry,
okay?
Boo. You got
My
it.
beautiful, beautiful succulent.
That's my beautiful plant.
You guys can always do an activity with your kids.
Oh, Madonna have a
They
farm.
one thing with kids, they just love playing with dirt.
And oh, Madonna's down.
So you won't be disappointed.
And then cow, 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 cow. Cow, 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 cow.
That's new. Good job, Charlotte.
hands are so dirty.
I think I have
Let me
to
see.
open
Oh no, Madison. We still got that little dirt at the side right here. Let Daddy show you what's up. You overflow it with dirt like that, and then you just press down. Press down a little bit, and later you're gonna water it. You're gonna water it, and it's gonna look awesome. And it's gonna grow. Remember, you're the one taking care of this plant.
my
check
plant.
yours out.
You like it?
I'll be the judge of everything when it's finished. This is pretty good, but yours got a little spike there.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Like it.
Nice. I love it though.
Yeah. It's nice.
Look at him. Let's go. Let's see how these succulent comes out, and you guys might graduate and start planting
Wow.
some pretty big stuff.
Hear
I'm
that?
gonna plant a blueberry plant.
You wanna plant a
Oh,
blueberry
wow.
plant?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay, we could definitely do that
Charlotte has
next.
big plans.
Mine
Only because you did a good job in yours, Charlotte.
is it's
I
small.
think mine's is pretty good.
Oh, yours is very
Chelsea.
good. That's very good.
There. Pretty good. Not really wiggly.
Mine is the best.
Chelsea, yours first. Yours first gonna get the water, okay?
I'm so big, so I can do.
The soil is so dry.
Daddy,
That's a
I
good
can
one.
do all by myself.
Soil just so dry, the water just running off.
When I was older, Daddy helped me with the plant when I was little.
Keep it.
Just giving it some water.
Good, good, good,
The
good,
mine,
good.
the soil is very dry.
My name is Charlotte.
A little bit at a time, okay? She's gonna do the total opposite. See? I knew that was gonna happen.
Wow, look at the water.
That's my plant.
Yeah, the soil.
It's so dry.
It's so good by myself. I need some.
Yeah, she put too much dirt, but
Mom, give
can
me-
you sit down?
Oh my goodness.
All right. So this is Madison Group. Look at that. Good job, Madison. She got her own succulent plant. She did an amazing job. All right, we're gonna move along. Trinity's. Check that out. Her group look nice. Great job, Trinity. Charlotte. Let's see how you did. Good job. Look at that smile on her face. Look at that smile. You did an amazing job. Let's get on to Chelsea. Let's see your groove. Wow, yours look very nice. Very nice. Look at that smile. You got such a big smile.
You're
Amazing
doing that
job, okay?
toys.
So Trin gonna put her group
Right here.
right over there. She got a spot for her very own plant. Check that out. There you go, Madison. Madison, you can put yours right there. It fits, it fits. There we go, Madison. Good job. Give me some. And you give me some dirt in my hands too. Good job, Charlotte. You're gonna put yours right over there.
I got to turn them around.
You gotta turn them around. Nice. That looks very nice. You did a good job, okay? Give me some. Good job, Chelsea. That's yours. Now give me some, Mama. Good job. We'll play with our scooters soon.
No, why shoes?
Look at that. That's Chelsea's. Charlotte's. Madison. Trinity. You guys did such an amazing job.
Now we can play.
I'm proud of you, okay?
Now we can play.
Alright guys, as you guys can see, gardening with kids can be a little dramatic, but it's very rewarding at the end. It definitely teaches the girls, you know, a lot of patience. Because gardening, it requires patience. Because a lot of people think you plant a seed and poof, it just grows the next day. It just doesn't. You have to wait, you have to prep that soil, you have to get a lot of things together before your plants can mature and get it to where you want to be. Most of these plants start out small, but look where they're at now with time and preparation. And this is what I wanted to show the girls. And I just want to thank you guys for being here today and spending a couple minutes with us. We really appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.